The much awaited family get together and the monsoon trip was luckily combined together. The destination for enjoying monsoon showers was zeroed down to Bhandardara, a wonderful and scenic place at 110 kilometers from Ahmednagar.
सवालों का सफरनामा शुरू तुमसे खत्म तुम पे सफरनामा.
We started our journey at 7 in the morning and now the journey begins. The route is so beautiful, it is just shades of emerald spawn all over, adding to the beauty. Different shades of clouds filling the sky, supported by the shades of blue in the water bodies.
मेरी ओर से उठा तेरी ओर को कदम पहला मिलेंगे हम.
Reaching the destination, we celebrated Rakhi as it was Raksha Bandhan Day. After the rituals, we had a huge dash of masti and snacks after.
मायेच्या हळव्या स्पर्शाने खुलते नात्यांच्या बंधात धुंद मोहरते मायेच्या हळव्या स्पर्शाने खुलते.
And we set out to explore the nature. Bhandardara is a famous dam on river Pravra. It's a huge body nestled in Sahyadri Mountains.
गुज पावसाचे का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते.
The journey was full of rivulets and falls all along the route. The weather was so romantic, it was always changing from mild showers to fog, clouds, and stark sunlight. And we couldn't resist ourselves from drenching in the rains, kids to grands all alike. So we had a rain dance session in the middle of nowhere. Even we tried out our hands at Kiki Challenge.
Don't you wanna repurchase save our soul? No more sitting on your living room chair. Every day I open a dream and I stare.
शिरते हुरहुर त्या सांजेला कधी एकटेच झुरते सावरते बावरते झडते अडखळते का पडते कधी आशेच्या हिंदोळ्यावर मन हे वेडे झुलते मन तरंग होऊन पाण्यावरती फिरते अनक्षणात फिरून आभाळाला भिडते मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे का होते बेभान कसे गैवरते मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे का होते बेभान कसे गैवरते मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे.
After all the heavy masti, everybody was very hungry. We found out a home catering place where we had desi chicken, prepared by the woman of the house.
नाही आता राजूचं गाणं ऐकायला काय हरकत आहे आपल्याला चांगलं गाणं गुणगुण होतं काय हे राजू म्हण रे
यो रिमझिम झिलमिल पाऊस खारा तन मन फुलवून जाते
ओ या रिमझिम झिलमिल पाऊस धारा तन मन फुलवून जाते सहवास तुझा मधुमास फुलाचा गंध सुखाचा हाती
हा धुंदगार वारा हा कोवळा शहारा उजळून रंग आले स्वच्छंद प्रीतीचे
चिंब भिजलेले रूप सजलेले परसुनी आले रंग प्रीतीचे चिंब भिजलेले रूप सजलेले परसुनी आले रंग प्रीतीचे.
Now it's almost evening, and we are heading to the last stop in today's excursion. We are going to the Amruteshwar temple. This is an ancient Shiva temple on the banks of Pravara river. The temple is made up of black stone and has magnificent carvings. In and all, the small trip was full of joy, thrill, enjoying nature, being close to the nature, and being close to the family. Truly the cherishable moments in clouds.